The wait is finally over. I'm Chris with Florida Drone Supply, and we are so excited to finally show you the all-new DJI Avata 2. We all know and love the first gen Avata as it introduced first-person view and indoor flying into the field, but the Avata 2 is about to knock your socks off, or should I say, knock your goggles off. While the original Avata had a top speed of 31 miles per hour in sport mode, the Avata 2 tops out at 35 miles per hour in sport mode and up to 60 miles per hour in manual mode. Then, the max transmission distance for the original Avata is just above 6 miles, and the new Avata 2 can reach up to 7.5 miles. Even the battery life has been lengthened with the Avata 2 at 23 minutes as opposed to the 18 minutes on the first gen Avata. On that same note, the Avata 2 only takes 40 minutes to fully charge instead of the original 48 minutes. It's clear the Avata 2 is the latest and greatest in every aspect, knocking the original Avata down to second place. DJI has packaged the Avata 2 into two different combinations. You can purchase the Avata 2 with Goggles 3 and RC motion controller with one battery, or you can choose to stay in the air even longer and purchase the Avata 2 Fly More combo, which includes a total of 3 batteries. We have both packages in stock and ready to ship, but quantities are limited and they will fly out of here fast. So click on that product ad in this video or in the description to order, or give us a call and we can help walk you through it. You can reach us at 855-8-DRONES or check us out online at floridadronesupply.com. Make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to our channel because we have a ton more videos on the all-new Avata 2 coming very soon. As always, thank you for watching and enjoy your flight.